In this video, we'll be talking about coordinates within OptimumCNC software. Here, in the top right portion of the screen, you'll have the coordinates for the X, Y, and Z axes, and you will have two sets of numbers, one in red, representing the program coordinates, and one representing the machine coordinates. So the program coordinates are the software coordinates, and the machine coordinates are what you can think of as the true coordinates that represent some position on the physical machine. So there will be some offset between these coordinates very often. Right now the offset is set to 0, so the program coordinates are equal to our machine coordinates. And if we move the machine to some point on the working table, we'll see that they remain the same. However, let's say we'd like to make sure that this machine coordinate, let's say 7 and 6 inches, is actually set to be the programmatic 0 coordinate. In that case, we can click on the program coordinate and set this to be 0. And now we have not moved the machine at all. However, the program's lower left corner, or its 0, 0 for the program itself, is now tied to this specific machine coordinate. This allows you to easily move the program around. You can also see the way that the offsets function when you do the homing procedure by manually setting the X and Y positions. So let's say I have this offset of 7.7 for X. If I set the machine coordinate manually to be 0 here, the program coordinate will be now a negative 7.7, and same for Y. The program coordinate will now be a negative 6.4 as the offsets are maintained. Thank you for watching.